Let us begin this beautiful meditation for positivity, abundance, and prosperity. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes and begin to relax. Enjoying this moment and noticing your breathing and going deeper into a relaxed state of mind. At this deep level of the mind, whatever you imagine becomes a reality. Imagine that you are having a perfect day today. You are enjoying every moment as you progress through the day. You are full of gratitude for all the good things that you have in life. You are grateful for the wonderful body, good health, peace of mind, and loving, caring people in your surroundings. Imagine that you're doing your best, you're playing full out and getting amazing results. And continue to relax. As you go to deep level of the mind, whatever you visualize and imagine becomes true. Take a deep breath and relax. Let this relaxation spread all over the body. Relax all the muscles. You are now at a deep, healthy level of the mind where you can access genius-like abilities of your mind. You are open to unlimited possibilities of life. Just continue to imagine and visualize that you are living your dream life. You're doing what you love to do. In every day, in every way, you're getting better and better. You have amazing relationships. You are full of positivity and people reciprocate to your positivity. You're feeling energetic, excited, enthusiastic about everything in life. You are spreading love, joy and happiness in the life of everyone you meet. You are an infinite being and you are a powerful person. You are capable of everything. Just imagine that you have the money that you desire and you're enjoying your work through which you provide wonderful services to people. You are living an incredible life, doing what you love to do and getting paid for it. And you have a perfect mind, you make perfect decisions, and you are always in action about your goals and dreams. You take massive actions and you get amazing positive results. Just imagine that everything is just wonderful and perfect in your life. You always take everything in your stride and you always maintain a positive mental attitude. You love yourself, you love other people, and you spread positivity everywhere you go. You are creating a new reality in this moment as you're visualizing and imagining, and you are becoming a beautiful person, someone everyone loves. You are loving, kind and compassionate. You are full of positivity. You are in control of your thoughts, feelings and emotions. Your positive attitude is inspiring everyone and it's helping you achieve greater results. Wonderful. This is awesome. You're feeling wonderful, optimistic and enthusiastic. You can now slowly open your eyes, feeling fine and perfect health, feeling better than before, feeling joyful, enthusiastic, and these feelings will continue as you progress towards your day. If you like this video, share with a friend and join us for our weekly meditation sessions. Check the details in the description.